Safety. It's the first thing on your mind when you step onto a construction site and the last thing you think about when you leave. Every day, construction workers face numerous hazards that could lead to serious injuries or even fatalities. In the construction world, danger is always present. From the moment you start your shift to the moment you clock out, the risks are constant. Heavy machinery, heights, electricity, these are just a few of the dangers that workers encounter daily. It's a recipe for potential disaster if we're not careful. Proper safety measures and protocols are essential to prevent accidents. That's where Occupational Safety and Health, or OSH, comes in. OSH plays a crucial role in ensuring that safety standards are met and maintained. It's all about keeping workers safe and healthy. Regular training sessions and adherence to safety protocols are key components, but how do we actually make construction safer? It's a question that requires a multifaceted approach. It's not about luck, it's about knowledge that comes from experience, training, and data, and that's where data comes in. Data helps us understand the patterns and causes of accidents. Data is like a blueprint for safety, showing us where the risks are and how to avoid them. It provides a roadmap for creating safer work environments. By identifying potential hazards and understanding their causes, we can take proactive measures to mitigate risks. By collecting and analyzing data, we can pinpoint the exact areas that need improvement. We can understand the causes of accidents, identify potential hazards, and implement effective safety measures, and create a safer work environment for everyone. A safer construction site means happier, healthier workers and a more productive workforce. Think of a construction project like a giant puzzle. Every piece of data we collect is like finding another piece of that puzzle. The more pieces we have, the clearer the picture becomes. And when we can see the whole picture, we can start to prevent accidents before they happen. Data helps us answer critical questions. Where are the most common accidents happening? What are the root causes? Are our safety measures actually working? Without data, we're just guessing. We're flying blind, and that's a recipe for disaster. In the world of construction safety, information is power. But to get that power, we need the right tools. We need ways to collect data that is accurate, reliable, and relevant to the job at hand. Thankfully, we've got a whole toolbox full of options. First up, we've got surveys. These are like conversations with the people who know the job best, the workers themselves. Then, we've got sensors and trackers. These are like having extra eyes and ears on the job site, constantly monitoring for potential hazards. And finally, there's incident reporting, because even when things go wrong, we can learn from our mistakes and prevent them from happening again. Surveys are a powerful way to tap into the collective knowledge and experience of your workforce. They can help you understand what's working, what's not, and where potential hazards might be lurking. But like any tool, a survey is only as good as the person using it. Ask the wrong questions and you'll get the wrong answers. Ask leading questions and you'll skew the results. The key is to keep your surveys concise, focused, and easy to understand. And always, always ensure anonymity to encourage honest feedback. Remember, you're not looking to point fingers, you're looking for solutions. Sensors and trackers, eyes and ears on the job site. Technology has given us an incredible gift when it comes to safety, the ability to monitor work sites in ways we never could before. With the advent of advanced sensors and trackers, we can now ensure a safer working environment for everyone involved. Sensors and trackers can keep an eye on everything from air quality to noise levels, even worker fatigue. These devices are designed to detect and report any anomalies that could pose a risk to the workers' health and safety. They can be embedded in hard hats, attached to equipment, or even worn on the body. This versatility allows for comprehensive monitoring of various aspects of the job site, ensuring that no potential hazard goes unnoticed. These devices provide a constant stream of data, giving us real-time insights into potential hazards. This real-time data is crucial for making immediate decisions that can prevent accidents and save lives. Imagine a sensor that detects a gas leak and automatically shuts down equipment, preventing a potential disaster. This kind of immediate response can make all the difference in maintaining a safe work environment. Or a tracker that identifies areas of high foot traffic where the risk of slips and falls is greater. By pinpointing these high-risk zones, we can take proactive measures to mitigate these risks. That's the power of technology in action. It not only helps in identifying potential hazards, but also provides solutions to address them promptly. The integration of these advanced technologies into our daily operations is revolutionizing the way we approach safety on the job site, making it a more secure place for everyone. Incident reporting, learning from mistakes. Nobody likes to talk about accidents, but the truth is, they happen. The important thing is that we learn from them. That's where incident reporting comes in. Every accident, near miss, or unsafe condition should be documented and analyzed. What were the contributing factors? Was there a breakdown in communication, training, or equipment? By understanding the root causes of incidents, we can develop strategies to prevent them from happening again. Remember, every incident report is an opportunity to improve safety for everyone. The pitfalls of poor data. What happens when we don't measure up? Imagine building a house on a foundation of sand. It might look good at first, but it won't be long before the cracks start to show. The same is true for safety data. Just like a house needs a solid foundation, our safety programs need accurate and reliable data to stand strong. If we're not careful about how we collect, analyze, and act on data, we're building our safety program on shaky ground. This means every piece of data, every report, and every analysis must be precise and thorough. Ignoring data gaps, relying on inaccurate information, or failing to learn from past mistakes can have serious consequences. It's like ignoring the warning signs of a crumbling foundation. When we overlook these critical aspects, it can lead to a false sense of security, inadequate safety measures, and ultimately, preventable accidents. These oversights can cost lives and cause significant financial and reputational damage. In the construction industry, where lives are on the line every day, we can't afford to cut corners. Every decision, every action, and every piece of data must be scrutinized to ensure the highest safety standards. By prioritizing accurate data collection and analysis, we can build a robust safety program that not only meets regulatory standards, but also genuinely protects our workers. This commitment to precision and vigilance is what keeps our construction sites safe and our projects successful. Building a strong framework. Using data effectively. Collecting data is only half the battle. The real magic happens when we analyze that data and use it to make informed decisions. That's how we turn raw numbers into actionable insights that can improve safety for everyone on the job site. First, we need to make sure our data is accurate and reliable. That means training workers on proper data collection techniques, implementing quality control measures, and using technology to automate the process whenever possible. Then, we need to analyze the data to identify trends, patterns, and areas of concern. Data analysis. Turning numbers into knowledge. Data analysis doesn't have to be complicated. There are user-friendly software programs and tools available that can help us make sense of the numbers. We can use data to track the effectiveness of our safety programs, identify high-risk activities or areas, and measure the impact of interventions. For example, let's say we've been tracking near-miss incidents involving scaffolding. By analyzing the data, we might discover that a significant number of these incidents occur during the evening shift. Armed with this knowledge, we can then implement targeted safety interventions like additional training or increased supervision during those hours. The power of prevention. Predicting and preventing accidents. The ultimate goal of using data in construction safety is to create a proactive, rather than reactive, safety culture. We want to move from simply reacting to accidents to actively predicting and preventing them before they occur. By identifying leading indicators of risk, we can take steps to mitigate hazards before they result in injuries or fatalities. For example, if data shows a correlation between overtime hours worked and an increase in accidents, we can implement policies to limit overtime or provide additional training to workers who are putting in extra hours. Remember, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Conclusion: a safer future built on data. The construction industry is evolving, and so is our approach to safety. Data is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. By embracing data-driven decision-making, we can create a safer and healthier work environment for everyone. Remember, safety isn't just about following rules. It's about understanding the risks and taking proactive steps to mitigate them. And the key to unlocking that understanding lies in the power of data. Together, let's build a safer future, brick by brick, data point by data point.